Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to translate language in WhatsApp. Here are some steps to translate language in WhatsApp using Google Translate. First, install Google Translate app. Go to the Google Play Store and install Google Translate if not already installed. Open Google Translate app. Launch the app by tapping Open and complete the initial setup. Select your languages, for example, English to Spanish. Enable Tap to Translate. In Google Translate, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Go to Settings, tap to Translate, and turn it on. Then allow necessary permissions. Then toggle on the Show floating icon. Open WhatsApp. Launch WhatsApp and open the chat with the message you want to translate. Copy the message. Tap and hold the message. Tap the Google Translate bubble. Tap the Google Translate icon and it will appear on your screen. Tap it. View the translated message. The copied text will appear automatically translated in the pop-up. Reply with translated text, optional. You can also type in the pop-up to translate your reply, then copy and paste it back into WhatsApp. Now, you can translate and chat across languages easily in WhatsApp. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.